Hi, I'm Lisa Cleveland from the Wando Mt Pleasant Library with your Take and Make Nail Polish Washer Take and Make craft. In this craft you will receive a washer, an elastic cord, and you would have to provide your own nail polish, and you can use any nail polish you would like, as many colors you would like, just be creative. So I'm going to start with a red because I like bright colors. So I'm just going to paint the washer all red, and make sure you get it all the way around. Next, I'm going to use a white because it's going to contrast the red color. And I'm just going to maybe put some dots. And I'm going to take a toothpick, and you can either swirl the colors around or just keep them as dots, whatever